I fell over and had great difficulty getting up again. My mother realized something was wrong and took me to the doctor. I spent weeks in Bart's hospital and had many tests. They never actually told me what was wrong, but I guessed enough to know it was pretty bad, so I didn't want to ask. In fact, the doctor who diagnosed me washed his hands of me, and I never saw him again. He felt that there was nothing that could be done. At first I became depressed. I seemed to be getting worse pretty rapidly. There didn't seem any point working on my PhD, because I didn't know if I would live long enough to finish it. But then the condition developed more slowly, and I began to make progress in my work. However difficult life may seem, it matters that you don't just give up. And there was also a young woman called Jane, whom I had met at a party. Getting engaged lifted my spirits. Every new day became a bonus, and I began to appreciate everything I did have. I feel a sense of achievement that I have managed to make these contributions, despite having ALS. I have not allowed my disability to stop me doing most things. My motto is there are no boundaries. When we see the Earth from space, we see ourselves as a whole. We see the unity, and not the divisions. We are here together, and we need to live together, with tolerance and respect. It would be an empty universe indeed, if it were not for the people I love, and who love me. But there are other challenges, other big questions which must be answered. How will we feed an ever-growing population? Provide clean water, generate renewable energy, prevent and cure disease, and slow down global climate change. I don't think we will survive another 1,000 years without escaping beyond our fragile planet. We must continue to go into space for the future of humanity. We will better understand our place in the universe. So remember to look up at the stars and not down at your feet. Seize the moment. Act now. Be curious. And however difficult life may seem, there is always something you can do and succeed at. It matters that you don't just give up. While there's life, there is hope. Be brave, be determined, overcome the odds. It can be done.